How to change username on Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device. Once the app opens, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile. Next, tap on your current username at the top of the screen, then select Edit Profile at the bottom. On the Edit Profile page, tap on Nickname to change your username. Enter the new username you want to use. Make sure it's unique and easy to remember, as this will be visible to other users. After entering your new username, tap Save at the top right corner to update it. Your username will now be updated and visible to all other users on Bilibili. You can repeat this process anytime you want to change your username. Now you know how to change your username on Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.